Can we join Telegram private channel without link? Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to find out. So let's just get started. First of all, let's head over and open up the Telegram app on our device. You may also do so. And once you do so, you will be finding this particular interface with different options. So in order to usually join a channel, we can use the search bar at the top right corner and search for the specific channel that you may want to join. So if you're looking to join Telegram private channel without any invite link, you generally cannot join a private Telegram channel without specific invite link because private channels are inherently secure and require direct approval from an administrator or a valid invite link. However, if you know the exact name of private channel, you can just go ahead and open up browser, for example Chrome, and there you can just go ahead here in the search and type in d.me and the username or the channel name of that particular person. So just go ahead and search for it and hit enter into a web browser. And if the channel is a public channel, this will work. If it is a private channel, the method will not work and you will need to contact an admin or a member for the invite. So you can just go ahead and do so. If you're trying to join the public channel instead, you can go to the search at the top and directly search for the name and press enter and click on the go button, and Telegram will find the channel and you can click the open to join if it is a public channel. So Telegram's privacy features are designed to prevent unauthorized access to private channels. So if you're trying to join without link, it is not possible for now. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.